Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Once again, if you're new here, my name is Chelan and this is FamBamNY. For today's video, I will be making another beautiful balloon setup, and this is actually a balloon garland using this balloon that we will show to you guys. And this comes in a 3 different color. As you can see, there's gold, this is orange pink, and retro green. So it comes in this package right here. We will put the description, the color and sizes in the link down below. Please check that out. So these are inflated already, so it's not, there's no particular size on how you inflate this because it's gonna be in a garland. So you can just pick any size, and then what I did is tie them together, and basically you can attach this just like that, or you can do it like one pair using your 260Q. Tie it on here, and then after you do that, just grab this here, attach, and then hold on to it just like that, and then pair it with another 2, for example this one, and attach another one here. Just hold it not too tight, just like that. So this is how you make your, another way on how to make your clusters of balloon. Okay, so the sizes here, we have 5 inches, this one right here is 10 inches, and we also have our 18 inches balloon with this color and gold. So I noticed in the package you will receive 2 of this gold and 3 of this, but none of the retro green for the 18 inches balloon. So in this package right here, you will receive 115 total of balloons with a balloon glue dots and balloon chain, total of 117 items. And guys, if you want to use this exact balloon that we use here, please check the description down below and you'll get this same package. Alright guys, so now we need your 260Q. You grab one of this and then tie it on here. So after you do this, you pair it with any size balloon. Just leave it like that, and then that's all you do. Okay, and then attach one, and then I even have a quads right here. Attach it like this. So there's your cluster balloon, and then after this, I'm gonna use different color. And then I switch it around to another color, so about 4. And then after that, different color again. So you can either use 260Q or fishing line, but for this particular project, I'm using 260Q. Doesn't matter what color you're using for 260Q. And then at the end of my 260Q, I'm gonna tie this together. Okay. So now I'm gonna continue on using a different 260Q. So I attach it to the last balloon. Since we have 4 of that color, I'll continue on different color. Alright guys, so we'll continue on with more color, and our plan is to use this round backdrop. This is actually from ubackdrop.com. Guys, if you want to check this out, they have a cool website. They have lots of selections. So aside from this circle round backdrop, there's a lot of choices. Arch backdrop, shimmer backdrop, wall backdrop. There's a lot of selections, guys. Please check it out. It's ubackdrop.com. And I use this clip right here. This is where you're gonna attach and hold your garland to the round backdrop. So with that said, we'll continue on. So I'm gonna stop for now and I'm gonna try to put this here. Let's see if we have enough. Looks like we need to continue on. Alright guys, so this time I will hook our garland right here to the wall, to the ceiling, using our command right here, so it's easier to take this off once we're done. So I'll attach the 260Q right on top. So now we're gonna attach this here. So now our clip right here, we'll put a 260Q. So this is where we're gonna attach our balloon garland. Alright, and here as well, connect. Alright, so now we'll attach this here. So I'll continue, I'll cover the post right in front. So that covers the post right there. So I'm gonna connect this to our post. And that way this is not going nowhere. Alright, so I got 260Q right here and attach. Then later we'll cover that. This. Alright guys, so I added some more here. 5" balloons right here, I'll put right here. So this time guys, I'll be using balloon glue dots.
Yeah.
There's not a lot of gold, so we'll scatter the gold around. Okay, so we got some gold scattered everywhere because we only have a few of those. And so far it's looking good. So now we will add some more clusters of little tiny balloons like the 5 inches green or the other color. So this one will cover that. Grab one of the end of your balloon and one of the end here. Alright, so we'll add one here. So we have little balloons on this side. Alright guys, so it's time to personalize this backdrop. Since this is just for blog purposes, we will put our name here. This is printed from our Cameo for machine, and we'll put it in here. And there you go guys, this is our arrangement for our balloon garland using the round backdrop, and that is from ubackdrop.com. So I hope you guys like this arrangement, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Give us your thoughts, like and subscribe if you haven't yet, and please share. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching. This is FemMNY, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.